prove that root 5 is irrational. This is the question number 1 from exercise 1.3 chapter 1 of grade 10. First you assume that root 5 is rational number. So since root 5 is rational number, root 5 can be written as a by b where a and b are co-prime. First assume that then you can write root 5 as a by b where a and b are co-prime. What do you mean by co-prime? Two numbers are said to be co-prime where there is no common factor between a and b. Now, so our assumption is root 5 is a rational number. That's why we wrote it as root 5 equal to a by b where a and b are co-prime. Now squaring on both sides. So 5 equal to a square by b square. Now rearrange 5b square equal to a square. Now you learned a theorem that if p divides a square, then p divides a also, where p is a prime number. So from here, this is equation number 1. From here, you know that b square divides 5. Means here a square can be written as 5b square, meaning a square is divided by 5. It is possible. Then by this theorem, a also divided by 5. You got this point? This meaning a square is a multiple of 5. That meaning a square is divisible by 5. Therefore, by this theorem, a also divisible by 5. So, you can write a is equal to 5a. This means, a equal to 5c. This means a is also divisible by 5. Substitute this a in this equation. Substitute a equal to 5c in equation number 1. You will get 5b square equal to, instead of a you can write as 5c. 5c meaning 5b square equal to 25c square. We got, so this is 5. So b square equal to 5c square, meaning b square is a multiple of 5. So meaning b square is a multiple of 5. So by this theorem, by the above theorem, b is also B is also multiple of 5. From this what you got? You got A is also multiple of 5, and here from here you got B is also multiple of 5. That meaning A and B are co-prime. They are not co-prime. They have common factor 5, which means A and B has common factor 5. That means A and B are not co-primes. But our assumption is that A and B are co-prime. This is contradict our fact that root 5 is a rational number. So root 5 is a irrational number. So this means B is also multiple of 5. Thus contradicts our assumption that root 5 is an irrational number. Root 5 is a rational number. Why this contradicts? In the first part we took A and B are co-prime, but finally after doing calculations you got A and B has a common factor 5. This is the contradiction. Why this contradiction claims? Because of our assumption root 5 is a rational number, which indicates that root 5 is an irrational number. Very important question. In this way you can do root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, all questions. Okay, thank you.